Last year we witnessed the launch of Ashok Karya, a platform that has brought together all our CSR initiatives under one meaningful identity, carrying forward the vision and values of our founder, Shri Ashok Kumar Malhotra.
And now, as we are going to celebrate 81st Founders Day, and with that, we are ready to begin a new chapter.
A chapter that has sparked curiosity across all MBD.
Ashok Samvad. Preparations are underway,
The excitement is already building,
and voices across MBD are already coming together.
but the real question is,
अशोक संवाद को लेकर MBDians की क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग है?
क्या वो इस नए इनिशिएटिव के कॉन्सेप्ट और पर्पस से वाकिफ हैं?
चलिए उन्हीं से जानते हैं।
Hi, ma'am. So many preparations are going on. Everybody seems so busy. So many meetings are aligned. So what's the reason behind that? Any particular reason?
Yes, of course. Our Founders Day is coming, and this time it is very special as we are launching Ashok Samvad on 10th July.
सीनियर, इतनी सारी सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी की प्रिपरेशंस क्यों चल रही है?
इस बार फाउंडर्स डे पे जो अशोक संवाद लॉन्च हो रहा है, हम लोग उसी की तैयारियों में जुटे हुए हैं। हमारी पूरी सिक्योरिटी की टीम पूरी जोरों शोरों से तैयारियां कर रही है और हम लोग उसके लिए बहुत उत्साहित हैं।
How are your preparations going on for this Founders Day?
It's better than previous one. We are very excited as we are launching the new chapter of Ashok Karya, that is Ashok Samvad.
What is your understanding and definition of Ashok Samvad?
Ashok Samvad is the second chapter of Ashok Karya that we will be launching on 10th July, where we will be having the panel discussion and we will be having the discussion about the contribution they have made to the societies and what all contributions can be done to make this plan successful.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Drishti.
Sir, I do have some questions in my mind.
Tell me.
So, what exactly Ashok Samvad is and why are we calling it the next chapter of Ashok Karya?
अशोक संवाद एक तरीका है श्री अशोक कुमार मल्होत्रा जी को पास से समझने का। हर इंसान का एक प्राइमरी इमोशन होता है जिसकी वजह से वो जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ता है, जिसकी वजह से वो अपनी गोल्स को अचीव करता है। अशोक संवाद is talking about that primary element and emotion of that person. अशोक संवाद के तहत we are getting people from different walks and different spheres, different verticals, different spectrums to come onto a common platform and talk about the spirit of being Ashok. Ladies and gentlemen, nation celebrates the spirit of being Ashok. मैं भी अशोक।
So, according to you, which are the most important topics that should get covered under Ashok Samvad?
We can look forward with the three things. One is your career counseling, which we talk about for the students. Second, we talk about the teachers training. Teachers training, which we provide to the teachers training, give them more clarity of the pictures and about the curriculum. And third, we can set up the libraries for the different forums.
The topics we should include in Ashok Samvad mainly are competency-based learning versus rote learning, skill-based education and employability. The third one will be artificial intelligence and school education. And the last one we may include is experiential learning.
So, what do you think might be the impact of Ashok Samvad?
Conversations as these are important because having such discussions openly, spread awareness, encourage and motivate people of all generations to participate and contribute their bit for a better world.
So I guess the major impact of Ashok Samvad would be awareness of important topics.
Hi sir,
Yeah, hi.
how excited are you for Ashok Samvad?
I am very excited for Ashok Samvad and really looking forward for a meaningful conversation and dialogues. And team, how about you?
Yes,
we are
excited. Hello, sir.
Hi, Drishti.
How excited are you for Ashok Samvad?
Oh, I'm very excited for Ashok Samvad. In fact, my team is also excited. Team, how's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
जी हाँ, तो क्यूरोसिटी पूरी है,
एक्साइटमेंट भी है
एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी हैं।
और अब बस इंतजार है उस रिवील का।
Stay tuned for
अशोक संवाद।